Hello everybody and welcome to another short edition of Trains At. Today you join me at North Shields Station, which is situated between Meadowell and Tynemouth stations on the Metro. Today you're going to be services by Tynemouth Metro only. Here we are on platform 2. I've not been on this platform in a very long time, as I've mainly been using platform 1 lately, but now I am on platform 2 again. So here's the station here, I've got a sign. My dad's just over there and I'm currently wearing a mask. And if you actually see, yeah, this is the mask I'm wearing. It's got a Metro on. bit better than my boring old blue one before. This one's a bit better. A bit related to me at least. There you can see the station behind me. And there's a service due in on platform number 1 to South Shields via the coast in Newcastle in about 2 minutes on either side. You must wear a face covering on Metro. And also I've got my sunflower lanyard, which I'm going to go ahead and put on. I can just get it on right. There we go. And now I have my sunflower lanyard on as well. Okay, now arriving into platform number 1. Oh, that didn't do me any favour. Is a Metro service to South Shields via the coast in Newcastle. If my voice sounds a bit more muffled than usual, this mask is a bit different to me blue ones. But it's more protective, I believe, so there's a downfall of it, but there's also a good thing about it. 4041 Harry Cowan, service 123. The reason I'm saying Harry Cowan's is because this one's got a plaque saying Harry Cowan's on it, because this was the first Metro car refurbished, and it received a plaque called commemorating Harry Cowan's, who got the funding for the Metro. 4041 and 4084 South Shields. 4041 and 4084. Okay, now arriving into platform number 2 is Metro service to St James via Wallsend. This is my train to Monument, and where I'll be ending this train's at.
The next train at
Platform 2 is for St James. Service 129, 4037, 4037 to 4081. Service 128. Oh, go on up there.
the train standing at platform 2 is for St James.
Okay, so I am now going to bring this train out to an end. Thank you for watching, and we shall see you in the next one.